What is going on, brother? We're here at the Street Life Car Meet with the man, the founder himself. 10th year anniversary. You got anything to say, bro?
I'm very happy to be here. I'm happy that you guys are here, and I appreciate everybody for 10 years.
There we go. There you go. Let me hear what you got.
That's crazy. That's crazy. I got a 2013 Scion FRS K-swapped. So, yeah, there's that. Hopefully soon to be boosted. I mean, yeah.
Lay it down. What else you got done to this thing?
It's got full everything. Action clutch, Mishimoto radiator. I mean, full K-Power Industries K-swap. Windjet headlights, BC Racing coilovers. iBox sway bars. I mean, I got the works, so it's running on a Haltech Elite 1500. I'm on the fucking Rays Gram Lights 57 DRs and custom powder coated in chrome bronze, if I remember correctly. Yeah, I don't know. Go V Underglow.
Looks great, bro.
Thanks, man.
2026, new things coming, yeah?
Yeah, hopefully get a boosty boy in here. Hopefully, 2026.
We got the JDM Kings pulling into the meet. With the 360 cam, as he already knows. And the RX-7, as he already knows. With the 33, because he already knows. Sick builds right here. That's a trio right there. Look at these three right here. Sick. Super sick. Oh, my bad, dude. Another one. Got the Bimmer boys. Oh, talk nice to me. Talk nice to me, huh? Little Taya. All right. Ain't a car meet unless you got some fucking Dominican music. This thing is sick. Clean. Oh, whose car is this? Whose car is this? It's mine. What's up, dog?
What's up, big dog?
Everything good?
Yeah, good.
Good to see you, bro. Whose Supra is that, Michael?
Is that a real lip? Is that a real carbon lip?
All or nothing, baby. All or nothing.
Is that a real carbon lip? It doesn't look like it. Oh, shit. Doesn't look like a carbon lip.
Well, when you spend $6,000 on carbon lips, you just resort to an eBay one because it's tired of fucking shit up, dog. You know what I'm saying?
That's what you get for making that meme.
You like that shit I made of you Instagram today?
I woke up.
Yo, he's like, this made my day.
Yeah.
I'm the only person who probably knew you were.
I was putting a nap on the couch.
Bro,
I was dying.
I
bro.
saw the back
Dude,
of the
you had me
camera.
dying this morning, bro. Oh my god.
That shit was so funny, bro. All or nothing. Manny. Hey, there you go. Check it out. That's crazy, dude. I've never seen a mom at a meet. Mime. So we're at the streetlight meet. This is his car. Bag Genesis. Bag Q50. This thing was shooting the craziest flames earlier. This shit is static, by the way. Look at the paint of this car. Looks purple. And it's green. It's the new Z. Paint is sick. Heritage Edition. Embedded in the paint. Super sick. This to be the color I get, for sure. Twin turbo badge. Bro, the color on this is sick. Purple, green.
Oh, it does change colors,
Yeah.
right?
You just let me detail it. For sure. Massive turbo. Spider-Man edition. This thing's been around for years, bro. Like 15, 20 years. What do you think, Michael? You like it?
I love it.
Sick car, huh?
Yes, sir.
Look at this little gem right here. Sheesh. Okay. Is that another 3-rotor? Is that what it is? That's what it looks like to me, right? I don't know, brother. Looks nice, though. Oh, look at them shining wheels. Samurai. Sick. Super sick. The antique plates. Can't complain. Supportive police out here, you know. Classic. I have to make a correction. It's a 2-rotor, not a 3-rotor. Oh, it's not my car. I'm probably put a beer on it.
I know, but like, what car do they come on?
Yeah, so it's a 2-rotor.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Sick. Wifey drives it. Nice. This little thing right here. Little plenum showing and shit. Not bad. Ooh, burning a little oil there, brother. A little stanky. All or nothing. El Manny. Only gay boys rock Volkswagen Beetles. I mean Porsches. Damn, never have I ever thought I'd see a crew of fucking Hyundais, bro. Straight Hyundais, bro.
Oh my
Bro, there's a cop right there, dude.
I just told you.
Come on, man. Look at this whole group of fucking Hyundais. I can't believe it. They're about to come for the Supra, dog. Shit. Hey, they're coming for all or nothing. You're in the vlog, bro.
They're coming for nothing.
Do they want us to be on the streets?
Let me hear it. Let's see the flames this thing does. I've seen it shoot flames. Don't worry about the cops. We'll be all right.
This car's so loud.
Bro, we fucking shot flames next to me once.
He's like watching it.
God damn. Jesus Christ. Fucking hell. Running a little rich, huh?
It's different than any other car.
Oh, this thing is sick. Look at this. Old school Trans Am. That thing is sick. Wow. Look at that. What a beauty. I have the same exact RC car. Oh, look who showed up to the party. Now we are talking. Bad boy right here. RS. Gang, gang. The gang is outside tonight.
What's up, Ramsey?
What up, what up? With the Haltech Dash. Oh yeah. Clean. The boys are outside tonight. Look at the swan neck. Oh man. 33 action. Lord have mercy. All I smell is E. Another one. Look at that bad boy. And a chaser. Gang, gang. Little gem right here. Check it out. Gotta make sure we're mic'd up, guys. Sorry. We're mic'd up. With the Coopers. Oh, look at that. That's something in there. Jeez, full red guts. Damn, bro, the music is killing me. The music is killing me right now. Hopefully the audio comes out good tonight. Happy 10 years, bro.
Thank you. You're a part of it.
Yes, sir. Uh-oh. Look who showed up to the meet.
Yo.
El Habibi.
Habibi. What's good?
El Habibi. What's up, doggy? Happy New Year, Stefano. What's going on? KK's here. Off his third rebuild outside. You know what I'm saying? Just
5
like
years
Richard.
now.
Yes, sir. Hey, buddy. What's going on? You're in the vlog tonight, brother. How you doing? Happy New Year. This is a beauty, dog. Absolute beaut. Who, me? We got the best of both worlds. Super Skyline boys.